Ian Mike together with tonight's player of the game for Team Polagi, Sir Paul Renzi. Now, Sir Paul, what a dominating performance by you and your squad. Ano yung naging game plan yung initially here against your first opponent here tonight for the Governor's Cup? Bakit sobrang effective nyo as a team?
Parang naging consistent lang yung practice lang. Yung import kasi nakaabot sa last practice. Parang mas naging clear ko kasi nakapag sila ng knowledge nila sa basketball para mas ayos ko yung game plan namin para sa upcoming na first game.
Spoke of the imports, but you're the player of the game, ano? The local players really stepped up for Team Polagi, and not only on offense, napansin namin on defense din. How important was the defensive game plan here tonight? How important was the defensive game plan for you and your team? Medyo dinidiscuss ka lang ng mga teammates.
Sabi ko kasi ako yung role player, parang defense ko talaga yung para yun na lang po talaga yung pinagawakan namin since yung mga local po namin is small ball. Mas dinominate na lang po namin yung defense kasi doon po nakapokus yung mga local. Parang yung offense, dumadat
Last thing po, could you give a message and a shout out sa mga sumusuporta sa iyo and sa team mo? Any message for your friends, your family, and so on?
First of all, gusto ko ma-thank you Rizal sa opportunity para ma-showcase po ang ating sa ating second guy, Mayor, sa walang sawang support sa siyempre sa coaching staff, sa teammates na palagi nakakasuporta, sa family ko, bumiyahe ka para sa game, sa girlfriend ko. Yun lang na. Saka sa dito, hindi pa ako sa Palawan, palagi nakasumay.
There you go, player of the game. Congratulations, boss, and good luck in the upcoming games. Thank you.